So this is project 11 of electromechanical robotic systems, in which we had to use create a system that would track our fingers and hand and create specific points on that hand in order to um, track the movement of the fingers, and based on that it would execute different tasks, such as, for example, if I do scissors, it should this servo should move to a particular angle of scissors. If I do this, it would show scalpel. If I close my fist, then it should be gauze. uh, so simulating like a surgical operation theater for the doctor to receive tools automatically from a robot. And then I have an RGB LED that turns red, green, or blue as per the if it's scissor, scalpel, or gauze. And this is all being done using the laptop camera. Right now I've put this thing on it because it just activates accordingly. um, it's pretty interesting, and interesting how this works. So I'll just execute it, and I'll show how it's working. So this is my camera. I'm just gonna yeah okay, yeah, it's tracking my hand now. If I do this,
Here are the scissors.
yep, the scissors, and my servo turned to a particular angle. Then I do this, scalpel, gauze. Now I will just change it, and I'll show how this is changing. So scalpel, gauze, scissors, scalpel, gauze, scissors. So this is how the system is running. It's essentially to simulate an operation theater wherein the tools will be handed to the doctor using a robot. The servo motor is acting like a simulation for the actuator of handing over the particular item. Then the RGB LED just indicates what item it is. Uh, so yeah, that's how the project is working. Uh, okay, because one of my hand is already there, it's creating problems to track. Yep. uh, and it there's a threshold of 15 frames. So if I do it for 15 frames, hold a particular position for 15 frames, only then it is showing like only then it is executing that particular function. um, Now I'll just go quickly through the code part of it. Yeah, we first install all the telemetrics, media pipe, and the speaker. I don't this one PTTS3 X3 for speaking. Yeah, we import all of it. This in this we declare all the pins. Um, then we have, this is the speech section where we define speak.text. Um, this is media pipe. So this is a hand landmarker dot task which we downloaded online. um, yep. The way the finger states actually works is that it tracks. So each finger position has a certain number associated with it, a coordinate associated with it. According to that, the system actually tracks those fingers, and then we have a function here. So it helps classifying the gestures, what kind of gesture it is it. So if my index finger and my middle finger, um, uh, and not my ring finger and my pinky finger, then it shows scissors. Accordingly, it's similar for scalpel and gauze. And if it does not know, then it is returns as unknown. Then we have hardware control over here. This is the angle for servo, this color for RGB, and this is how it's executing. So if it's scissors, then the servo is at 0 degrees and the color is at 255. So the red color turns on. Then scalpel, the servo is at 90, and the green color turns on. And gauze, I have 180 degrees, and red color, blue color turns on. Yep. So this is like the hold logic. So I have to hold it for 15 frames at least, in order to actually confirm the gesture, and this runs in the camera loop, and that's how it's executing. So this is the entire way how the project is working. Project number 11. Thank you. I'll just quickly go through also the pins. So I have pin number 3, 5 and 6 for the 3 pins of the RGB LED, then and pin 9 for servo motor, and to go to 5 volt and ground. Yeah, that's all. Like, it's a very simple circuit. Yeah, very interesting project. Thank you.